Hello everyone, and welcome to this edition of the Arcane Warrior Ultra Ridge Truck Bed Rack Installation Tutorial. Today we will install the Ultra Ridge Truck Bed Rack with the Tonneau cover. Please follow our steps carefully. Prepare all the necessary tools and parts. Steel ridge main body, steel ridge base, Tonneau special spacer, base fixing plate, crossbar, M6 by 25 hex socket flathead screws, M6 slider nuts, T-shaped screws, M6 locking nuts, M6 washers, M6 by 20 anti-theft star screws, M6 spring washers, M8 rectangular double hole nuts, M8 by 20 hex socket round head screws, M8 washers, and M8 spring washers. Let's get started. First, prepare the steel ridge main body and all the accessories. Use M6 by 25 hex socket flathead screws and M6 sliding nuts to install the Tonneau specific spacer blocks into the base mounting plates. Peel off the backing of the base adhesive pads and bond them to the base mounting plates. In the same way, install the other 3 base mounting plates. Next, slide the T-shaped screws into the Tonneau slot. Each base uses 4 T-shaped screws for a total of 16 screws. Place the base mounting plates onto the Tonneau cover, ensuring the left and right plates are evenly positioned along the front and the rear of the vehicle. Then, use M6 locking nuts and M6 washers to secure the base plates in place. Tighten the nuts and repeat the process for the remaining 3 base mounting plates. Next, place the steel ridge mount onto the fixed base plates. Slide it into place and lock it with the locking pin, ensuring the pin is fully engaged. Then use M6 by 20 anti-theft star screws, passing through M6 washers and M6 spring washers to secure the steel ridge to the mount. Now let's move on to the crossbar installation. Place the crossbar onto the base and slide M8 rectangular double hole nuts into the bottom groove of the bar, one on each side. Slide the double hole nuts to align with the mounting holes in the base. Use M8 by 20 hex socket round head screws, passing through M8 washers and M8 spring washers to connect the crossbar to the base. After that, adjust the crossbar's position and secure the remaining 3 base mounting plates. If you need to adjust the height of the base, simply loosen the base height adjustment screws without fully removing them. Then, loosen the screws connecting the base to the crossbar and raise the base to the desired height, ensuring both sides are level. Finally, tighten the screws to complete the installation. That's it!